We learned about this virus pretty early on because my parents both are in their 70s, still live in China. So we started paying attention in January. In mid-March, we learned that one of our local hospitals has severe shortage of PPE supplies, so protective gears. So we immediately, as part of the Chinese American local community, to launch a fundraising campaign to support these local hospitals. I'm so deeply touched by the kindness, the generosity of my local Asian American families. We raised about $25,000 in 3 days. I've done a lot of fundraising in the past. We've never been able to raise this much money in such a short period of time. So I think it truly speaks to people coming together and really contributing to this great cause. So we have used these funds to purchase the protective gears that is badly needed. So far, we have donated about 895 masks, more than 26,000 surgical masks, as well as gloves, gowns, and goggles, and all the supplies to the doctors and nurses in 8 of the local hospitals. My son, my 14-year-old, he competes in a robotic team, and their season unfortunately ended early because of the shelter-in-place situation. So their team has decided to purchase 3D printers, and each of them has been producing 3D printed face shields in their homes. So their goal is to produce 1,000 face shields in the next few weeks, and they're well on their way to accomplish that goal. So I actually have an example here. So this is the 3D printed shields. The top part is 3D printed, and they also attach the removable film that can be replaced.